Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Once upon a time, in a great castle, there lived a king's daughter whose name was Snow White. She was a beautiful and happy girl. Her stepmother, the queen, who was really a wicked witch, was also beautiful but very vain. Every day she would ask her magic mirror who was the most beautiful in the land. You are, the mirror would always answer. But one day, Magic Mirror said, Snow White. The jealous queen was furious. She ordered one of her servants to take Snow White into the forest and kill her. But the servant did not have the heart to carry out her orders, and he left Snow White in the forest. All alone and trembling with fear, Snow White spent the night huddled under a big tree. The next morning, she discovered a path that led her to a clearing. There she came upon a small cottage. She knocked on the door, and as no one answered, she let herself in. Inside, she found a table set with 7 plates, and in another room, there were 7 small beds. At the end of the day, 7 dwarfs appeared. Snow White told them her sad story. The dwarfs, feeling sorry for her, invited her to stay with them. In the meantime, the wicked stepmother heard her magic mirror announce that Snow White was the most beautiful in all the land. Realizing that Snow White was still alive, she disguised herself as an old peasant woman and went searching for her in the forest. She found her at the house of the 7 dwarfs and offered her an apple. But that apple was poisoned. As soon as Snow White bit into it, she fell to the ground lifeless. The 7 dwarfs were sure that Snow White was dead. They placed her in a crystal coffin and took her deep into the forest. In the meantime, the evil witch fell into a lake on her way back to the castle and drowned. Time passed, and there lay Snow White. She seemed to be asleep, but no one could wake her. The dwarfs went to see her every day and brought her flowers. One day, a prince who was out hunting in the forest chanced upon the crystal coffin. When the prince saw Snow White, he was so taken by her beauty, he asked the dwarfs to open the coffin so that he could kiss her. As soon as his lips touched her cheek, Snow White woke up. The spell was broken. The dwarfs were overjoyed. Soon after, Snow White and the prince married and lived happily ever after. Thanks for listening.